back here. Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry if he felt that. He's like, okay, then he's funny. Get out of there. Oh, yeah, that's wrong.
Chopper, you're okay. Why did you go to use my fucking shoe? That fucking... You almost broke the window. CJ couldn't.
I didn't want to leave the shoes in the water bowl.
God damn it. That's suede, you dick.
It's not.
I don't want to get bit. Chopper. Hey, don't fucking hit him. Stop it.
You're sorry.
Oh, you're going to break your...
Hey, look, I'm stronger than your boyfriend.
That's not surprising. Really? A fake? A toy?
Is that even real?
No, it's a little toy one.
Was it for, like, Sabrina or something? Well, it's not for Sabrina.
You better fucking hide that because your mom's doing it.
It was for Sabrina, not no more.
Way to go, you bro.
No, it goes back in.
I fucking...
What are you doing?
He threw it outside. The look on his face. He just goes, oh shit.
It goes back together, look. There's an arrow point up.
Well, go get it then. CJ fucking probably threw it out in the road so that he doesn't get dropped. It goes back together. It just came apart.
Not that piece that was on top. The handle.
Oh, well, you broke the handle. Well, that's why you don't play with shit like that. Where'd you put it? Where did you... You're going to have to explain that to your mom.
No, she don't look in the blue trash can.
You better hope so. I can't see.
You got a flashlight on.
It doesn't matter. I can't see. Get back, I think she's going into heat or something, I think.
Huh?
She's going into heat.
That's what I love about having boys.
I know, they break shit all the time. I always get blamed for their shit, though. No, listen, I did not break that. I didn't break that. That wasn't me. That was the boys. I always get blamed for shit. It wasn't me, dog.
It wasn't me, dog.
It wasn't that dog over there either.